Let us see our last case study from marketing chapter, which is for 6 marks. So first of all, we'll give a read to the case. Pushpanjali Limited is manufacturing chocolates, biscuits, cakes and other similar products. So there is one limited company, that is Pushpanjali Limited, who manufactures products like chocolates, biscuits, cakes and few similar products. Company is not generating enough profit. After doing so much things, company is not able to generate enough profits. Saurabh, the marketing manager of the company, got a survey conducted to find out the reason. Now, the marketing manager of the company, that is Saurabh, he did market research that why is it happening. So the findings of the survey reveal that in spite of better quality, customers were not able to distinguish the products of the company from its competitors. So despite of providing good quality, very good quality, still it was very difficult for the customers or consumers to identify the products which have been coming from Pushpanjali Limited. See, it is becoming very difficult for the customers to identify their products. Then they say that though the customers wanted to buy the products of Pushpanjali Limited again and again because of its good quality, but they were not able to identify its product in the market. See, there was nothing wrong with the product. Consumers liked the product. Consumers wanted to purchase their product, but still they could not purchase the products because they were not identifiable. They were unable to identify the products which were being produced by Pushpanjali Limited. Because of this, the sales of the company could not pick up, resulting in inadequate profits. And this is the reason why the company is not getting enough of profit. Saurabh, the marketing manager, now realized that Pushpanjali Limited had forgotten to take one of the most important decisions related to the product. So the marketing manager Saurabh realized that this Pushpanjali Limited has forgotten to do a very important thing which is needed. It has not taken that important decision. So this is the case which all the things are talking about. Question: what decision should Pushpanjali Limited take so that its customers are able to identify its product in the market? So what decision? Very big question mark in front of Pushpanjali Limited, that what should we do so that consumers can identify our products, identify our goods? So very easy thing. They should do what? They should do branding of their product. They should give a unique name to their product. And this is what, if they do, they will be successful in the market and might maximize the profit. Let us see the answer. The decision which Pushpanjali Limited should take so that its customers are able to identify its products in the market is branding. So they should do what? They should do branding of their products. The process involved in creating a unique name and image for a product in the consumer's mind, mainly through advertising campaigns with a consistent theme. See, any consumer can remember about your product if it has good brand name, it has good image on it, it has good name of it. So any consumer can easily remember that brand. And if whenever the consumer wants, they can make purchase of that brand. If I like the shoes from Levi's, their name is so easy, their brand name is so easy, that is Levi's. They have their own image, they have their own logo, like how Nike has this logo. So every brand has their own image, has their own unique name, so that I can identify, right? I should know which shoes is from Nike, which shoes is from Levi's. I should have that idea, and only then, if I like Levi's more as compared to Nike, I'll make constant repurchase of Levi's and not of the other brand. So this is important. Doing branding of the product is very important, and this Pushpanjali Limited has not done. So they realized this and they started working. They should start working on the branding of the product. Explain the benefits that may result to Pushpanjali Limited and its customers if the above decision is taken. So now you have to mention the benefits of branding, to both the company or the organization as well as to the customers. Very simple. You have to keep yourself as company while writing the benefits of branding as from the point of view of a company. You have to keep yourself as customers, that why it is important for the customers to have a proper branding. So for both of them you have to mention the benefits. So benefits that may result to Pushpanjali Limited with such a decision are enable marking product differentiation. So for the company it would be easy to do the product differentiation. They can easily differentiate the different products. Helps in advertising and display programs. So if the company wants to do advertising of their product in through any medium, through advertising, through media, in television, in radio, anywhere they want to do the promotion of their product, they can do that very easily by taking their brand name. Differentiate pricing. They can differentiate the pricing. Accordingly, they can set the pricing of the product, of the commodity. Ease in introducing a new product. Now, if they are introducing a new product, then that can go with the same brand name. Like, for example, best here example is Amul. Amul, we have butter, we have cheese, we have paneer, we have ice creams, we have so many different things. So with the one brand name, they have created different products. So it is important for the organization. Now, what are the benefits which customers will get? First, helps in product identification. I can easily identify shoes from Levi's company, shoes from Nike company. So it is easier for me to identify or do the product differentiation. Second, ensures quality. Yes, I'll ensure the quality as well. I'll identify the product and I'll ensure that whose quality was much better so that I can make a repurchase of that particular brand only. Status symbol. So yes, it's one of the status symbols. See how Levi's, Nike have very good symbols. So it becomes a why do we purchase Nike? Why do we purchase Levi's? Because they have good status symbol. Everyone nowadays, you people also, considering you people also, you all will feel that no, I don't want to purchase shoes from any other random local brand. I'll purchase branded shoes only. I'll purchase Levi's only. I'll purchase Nike only. Why? Status symbol. Best example, iPhones, OnePlus, all of these things. For status symbol, you need to differentiate the products, right? So here, basically, in this particular case, we talked about the branding topic, what is branding, as well as we also discussed the benefits of branding. Now, benefits of branding, there are benefits to the company or to the organization, as well as there are benefits for the customers also. We saw how branding helps customers. Also, we saw how branding helps consumers. So this is what all the case was talking about. So by understanding all the cases, we can see that there are topics like functions of marketing, branding, all of these things are the important topics on which we can expect case studies in the exams. Thank you.